Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Katarina, and I'm your English teacher from Canada. Do you know these 4 commonly confused English words? Let's put your knowledge to the test. Fill in the sentences with the correct words. Complete the multiple choice quiz. Grab a pencil and a paper and record your answers. Choose A, B, C, or D. Planning to visit the museum this weekend. Last night they watching a movie at home. You should a coat because it's cold outside. Excuse me, can you tell me the library is? Let's check your answers. Number 1 is B, were. We're planning to visit the museum this weekend. Number 2 is D, were. Last night they were watching a movie at home. Number 3 is C, wear. You should wear a coat because it's cold outside. And number 4 is A, where. Excuse me, can you tell me where the library is? How did you do on the quiz? Don't worry, that's what today's lesson is all about. Today we will learn these 4 commonly confused English words. Let's get started. Number 1, where. My friends, this is a question word. You can remember it because it has the WH spelling. The 5 question words like who, what, when, where, why, they all start with WH. And we use it when it's related to like location. Where are you going? I can't find my keys. Where are they? So it's talking about a specific location. Number 2, where. It is pronounced exactly the same as number 1, but in this spelling, it's talking about our clothing. Today, I am wearing a blouse. So it's talking about putting on clothing. What are you wearing to the dinner tonight? I will wear a dress and a jacket. Number 3, were. Notice the apostrophe. The apostrophe is here in place of a letter, and the letter here is A. This is a contraction of we are. Contractions are used in informal, kind of casual situations in conversations. So I would use this when I'm texting a friend, when I'm writing an email to someone very close to me, like a friend or a family member. I would avoid this informal contraction in business emails, anything to do with work or academic writing. And so it means we are. We, as in me and you, we are having a lesson. We're having a lesson. Imagine you are talking to your family. Where are we going this weekend? We are going to the park. We're going to the park. Number 4, were. It's pronounced the same as number 3. And this is one version of the verb to be. So in our present tense, we have I am, you are, he, she, or it is, they are, we are. In the past tense, we use were for some of those pronouns. They were or we were. Wow, the children are so muddy. What were they doing? They were playing in the sandbox. It had rained that morning. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Today's lesson was the 4 commonly confused English words. Use these words in a sentence and leave it in the comments down below. I would love to see you use these words with your own examples. Again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next English lesson. Bye!